welcome back to my channel. This week is my anniversary trip, so that means I have to figure out what to do with my hair. Now, I had planned for the stylist that did my hair last year. She did Marley Twist for my honeymoon to do my hair for my anniversary trip, but it really didn't work out. I wanted her to actually do it where I would have a great deal of versatility, be able to part down the middle, part along the sides, also be able to put my hair up, just have a great deal of versatility. And while I was able to create the versatility that I desired, mine does not look as sleek as it would have if my stylist were able to do it, but she had a last minute family emergency and I absolutely understand because things happen. But your girl was left to do it herself. And I feel like I did a good job, but it could have been done so much better. So I'm going to walk you all through the steps of what I did and also just some things to keep in mind so that yours looks much better than mine. I did not braid tight at all. I did not want it to be super tight, but I also didn't want it this loose either. I thought that once I crocheted the hair in that it would give me a tighter look, but y'all, that didn't work. So I did partial, and that's what my stylist was going to do as well. So I wanted partial cornrow and partial individual. So in the middle, I actually did cornrows, and this is a pattern that I used. Y'all, I could not see what I was doing, so it does not look good at all. The front braids are not that neat either. And in the back, Gerard, my husband, is going to actually have to help me because I was struggling, y'all. Parting my hair was such a challenge, but I made it through it. This is the hair that I use. It's Divatress Braid Boho Hippie Braid, and this is from Divatress. It's in Length 22, and I got mine in color 1B and also in color 1. So I got 9 packs total, and 3 of the packs were in 1B. The other 6 were in color 1. And these are the variety of colors that it comes in, so I love that about it. And I like that it's not just a simple braid, but it has some curly strands on the side, which is just so beautiful. So now Babe is here because he knows that I really need his help parting my hair in the back. And y'all, I thought he was doing a good job, but when I saw the back of my head, I was like, for real now? Come on, Gerard.
This is what I do. Relax.
You don't even know how to part.
Relax, relax, relax.
Yeah, it feels good.
Relax. You got this from here. I mean, I would do the whole thing, but I got a busy day.
So y'all hear him talking all that junk. I thought he was seriously killing it, but y'all about to see. So I wanted him to do a part down the middle so that I could actually do 2 rows of braids in that area. And my philosophy behind that was so that I could pull the braids up in the back and you wouldn't be able to see the area where I cornrowed the hair. Take it from me, guys. When you're going about this process, if you're not able to part your hair off on your own, have a friend who knows what they're doing. My husband did not know what he was doing. Look at that part. It's not straight at all. But this is the product that I used on my roots. So I just applied a generous amount of the product and then I proceeded to plait my hair. Now at the end, probably about the last inch, I finished it off with a twist. Once again, keep in mind that you can braid your hair much tighter at the root so that you can have better results, but this is just what I did. So Babe is back, and he did come up with a great idea in order to keep the hair parted and reduce the amount of time that he'd have to keep coming back and forth. So he parted a section, rolled it, and then added a bobby pin, and he thinks he knows what he's doing. He's hilarious, y'all. So he's just pinning my hair off so he doesn't have to keep coming back and forth, just making it more convenient for him. And just keep this in mind for those who are working with you, your friend or whoever. This is just a good tip to use. So thanks, Gerard. Good idea. So after he's done this, I'm just going to proceed to plait the rest of my hair and begin the installation process. Alright, y'all, so now it's time to install. This is what the hair looks like. Once again, I started with the color 1B first, and I love that the loops are really open on these particular crochet looped box braids. This is what the strands look like. You have some curly on the side and also on the ends and the braid in the middle. Now for this install, I'm kind of working backward because I would typically start in the back and then work my way to the front. But this time I'm starting in the front because I wanted to do the hardest part first. So I started with the individual crochet braids. So I'm just inserting the crochet needle and then taking the loop, putting it on the crochet hook, sliding that through the braid at the root. Then I'm going to pull the crochet needle up and through the loop. And then you're going to take the hair on the end, You're going to wrap that around the hook, close the latch hook, and then you're just going to pull that through the crochet loop that's created in this braid. After doing that, you're going to pull some of the hair through, remove the crochet needle, and then pull all the hair fully through the loop, tighten it, and then we're going to begin to intertwine our hair with the crochet box braid hair. So this is what it looks like currently. The loop, I thought it was going to be so much tighter on my roots, but disregard that. Now starting at the base of the crochet box braid, you're going to insert the crochet needle, and then you're going to put your hair on the latch hook, close the needle, and then you're going to pull that through, and you're going to continue this process going in and out, weaving the hair in with your hair. So you're going to do it all the way till you get down to the length of your hair and it's all concealed. You're going to complete the individual crochet braid in the front, and then I went to the middle doing the regular cornrow crochet braiding method, which is so easy and standard. And then once that's complete, I did the back, and I actually waited until the nighttime to do the back where I could actually see it in the mirror. So I'm gonna let you all watch that process, and then I'll come back on.
Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? We're in a false kind of state of nostalgic dreams. You got a pretty face, so we could change the scene, but I'm much too late, just as usual it seems. Hey, hey, and I still feel the same, trying to replicate what we've seen on TV. As the colors fade, I'm still stuck to the screen, so it seems, so it seems. Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Hey, hey, and my love still remains, trying to fit your face in a picture frame. You're looking pretty in those jeans to your waist, like that girl from the movie we saw last week. Hey, hey, and I still can't escape the sense of infatuation I can't seem to shake. Got me hung up on you, no, I never felt this way. Hope I still feel the same when I'm 88. Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Hey, hey, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, no, what I mean.
All right, y'all, so these are the finished results. I was so happy to be finished, like literally thrilled. Parting was torture. This process is not necessarily difficult, it's just tedious. It took me probably about 6 hours to do this install, and many of you guys, if you can box braid and that's something that you're good at and you're quick with it, you can probably do a regular box braid install at the same amount of time that I did this particular install. So it's not really going to do too much in regards to saving you time. It will save some, but not like a whole lot, but it is going to be easier. If you're somebody that's a beginner, I'd recommend doing the regular cornrow all over your hair and install the crochet box braids that way. That method was so much easier and so much faster. I love that method, and I actually wish I had done that for this install because I wasn't expecting for it to take this long. Yeah, I wasn't even expecting to do this myself. So just give me a pass on how it doesn't look that neat and that it took me 6 hours. Like, just eliminate all of that. But you can put it up. You can do a great deal of styling, and I'm going to show you all different options at the end. But that's the end of this video. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Love y'all. The next one will be a vlog. Bye.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah, and see what this love can do. Ooh, oh, it's just gonna be us two. 'Cause baby, this love